Hey, what's going on, party people? This is Ricky J, baby, from Ricky J Sports, and welcome to another video on
the Random Ranked Fights.
And today we are featuring the light heavyweight division. Buckle up, we're gonna get 2 fights in.
Here we go.
All right, let's select our first fighter that we're going to use. I am pumped up, I'm ready to go. But the sense of uncertainty, people, is what kills me in this series. Who am I going to control? Oh, man. Yeah, the light heavyweights. There's so many great light heavyweights. That used to be the darling division in the UFC. So here we go. Let's see. Who am I going to be? Lyoto Machida, baby. Hang on, people. All right, people. Here we go. We are using the Dragon Machida against Anthony Rumble Johnson, and man, you know this is going to be a stand-up battle. This is going to be a stand-up war. It's going to be a battle between Anthony's heavy hands and Machida's kicks and solid punches. So I just got to keep my distance. You know, look at Anthony's reach, man. His reach is what's going to make it difficult. So I just have to be patient and just land. And I also have to watch out for Rumble's wrestling too. Oh, see, Machida's kicks are little chicken leg kicks against Rumble. And he's already blocking his body. So here we go. The chess match begins. So he's throwing a little kicks here and there. Rumble has kicks. Rumble has some kicks. Did you see him back in the day in the welterweight division? He was taking guys out. And he was doing everything. Punches, kicks.
That's a good straight.
Oh, and right away I'm cutting off the octagon. Yeah. Oh, yes. I'm getting off before him. Oh. Oh, down he goes. What? So I like to hit here and then look for a move and deny, baby. Oh, yes. Could we get an early finish? Oh, he is jet red. See, and I could get him up. He wants to get up. He gets up. So I got to chase him. Come back. He ran away. Oh, he just gave me a slap right there. Did you see that? But I have to connect here. Oh, man. The thing is with Rumble, he could rock you. Oh, there's a little lag, man. Experiencing some lag. It's not my side. Oh no, this could be the turn of events right here. He threw the lag potion in my face. The lag powder. Man, do you guys get like that? When there's just a little hint of lag, it throws off your game, man. It totally throws off your game. And you know this guy's messing with his Ethernet cable or of his Wi-Fi. Oh, here we go. It's back. Ever since he got rocked, he's like, I'm going to mess with the cable. Oh. I got to forget about the lag, man, and just bear down. See, Machida's kicks are already coming slower, and it looks like Rumble's getting stronger. Oh, no. Get up. Oh, man. Sometimes my number one enemy is my lack of patience. And this guy's connecting, man. I still think it's my round.
He's landing some excellent kicks here. Another solid kick to the body by Johnson.
Oh, man. I'm blocking my face, not worrying too much about my body.
And another good roundhouse.
He's just going to town. See that? Nice. Good on him for... Oh, what the... What just happened right there, man? Oh, my gosh. That 2 knockdowns. Definitely my round. 10-9. Come on, throw, baby. Throw, baby. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a kick where your opponent goes flying off the canvas like that. They have to show one of them. Oh, no, that's not one of them.
Here's a perfectly placed kick that results in a knockdown.
There it is. Oh, my gosh. There's one of them.
Here's a devastating kick that results in a knockdown.
Wow. almost flatlined right there. So going into the second round, people, I have to understand that leg may be a factor. It's kind of like if you're playing baseball and it's raining outside, if you're playing football and it's snowing, if you're playing a fighting game and there's leg, you got to deal with it. And that's what I'm trying to do right here. That's what I'm trying to do. And I know what he's doing is he's disguising all these leg kicks because he wants to go up high. See that? And I gotta cut him off. I don't mind eating one to give him one. Oh, Machida. I just can't stand up. Oh, whoa. What happened there? Machida. Oh, Machida just... He had some voodoo on him right there.
Joe, he's keeping very busy. Look at the numbers. Total strikes landed.
So again, I'm battling right here, man.
Due to those body strikes. Nice roundhouse kick to the body. And again he scores with the roundhouse.
Oh no. Again, the lack. I'm not going to be one to complain, but the leg, man, just threw me off. I was blocking, and then there was a hesitation with his punch, and he snuck it in. My head's jet red. I'm trying to clear the cobwebs out and get back on my horse. Oh, yes, baby. I don't usually try those, but I need to switch things up.
Big kick, just missed.
Get him thinking.
What a jab.
Oh, man.
Solid shot to the body.
He's tired too, though.
Joe, that's
Wow.
his opponent needs to start blocking these.
You know what? I'm going to show this just to show you guys that, you know what? You got to battle through it when you have a little leg action. You must battle through it. Yes, baby. Oh, the back of the leg.
He's able to block the punch. Very good
Oh,
exchange.
he's backing him up. No way.
Vicious kick to the liver.
Oh, there is my patented move. Down, down, up high. Could it be over?
Hand clipped him.
Could it be over? I just got to throw here. I know he's hurt. Oh, and it's over, baby. Chalk up a victory. Let's get in another fight. Hang on. How about the dragon?
And that's the end of the fight.
All right, let's see who our next random fighter that we're going to use right here is. Here we go, baby. Who could it be? Oh, Gegard Mousasi, baby. Strikeforce champ. This guy is durable as durable can come. I am excited to use Mousasi. I respect him as a fighter.
Here we go.
All right, people, look who we're facing. Jon Jones, Johnny Bones Jones. And I'm glad we're facing Jones. I know it's going to be a challenge, but it's good that we talk about him. You know, Jon Jones, I said it from the beginning. When he got on the UFC video game, it was a curse. Him and Gustafsson got cursed, and look at Ronda Rousey is now cursed. And I think there's a baby in the background here. And hopefully McGregor doesn't get cursed with that EA Sports cover curse. But Jon Jones, he's undefeated. I'm so tired of... Oh, man. Oh, it's hard. Oh, look at this guy. Nice little combo action. But I'm tired of people saying that he's like 20... Is he 22-1? Should be 23-1. Or 22-0. He did not lose to Matt Hamill. The illegal... It was an illegal elbow, and they deemed it as an illegal strike. And, oh, man, speaking of striking. Gee. They deemed it as an illegal strike, and then they gave him the loss. But that was not a loss. So I'm hoping to see him back. But right now, using Mousasi, we do not have the reach advantage. Oh, what a fall. And right in the mount, baby. Can we get an early finish? Oh, we're connecting. Connect. Oh, he's surviving. Wow. Just a little slip up right there, and I got the mount, baby. And I'm trying to... Oh, he is nice. Good on this guy. He's trying to fake his transitions on the bottom. But I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. And you just got to deny both ways. Whichever way, both ways that he goes, deny it both times. Oh, man. Try to finish. Wow. Good on him for surviving. Nah, that's not going to work. That's not going to work, big guy. See, he's doing a good job at, like, he's cleared the cobwebs because his head's not jet red. See me transition. Oh, and he's out. That, I always have difficulty on that get up right there. I try to go the way that he's leaning. It just doesn't work. Oh, yeah, but now I'm cutting him up. Let's go. Let's go. Jones is busted up early. Got mounted twice. See, and I know this guy, he's doing the straight and then front lead kick, body kick. And Jones does it fast. Look how fast that comes. So I'm just trying to get out of here. Jones is really good at cutting off the octagon. He is good, man. Oh, yes. But Mousasi, man, he is a striker. The definition of a striker. Gotta watch out for those elbows, too. Razor sharp elbows. Oh, yes. This is definitely my round. I would give it a 10-9. 10-9 for sure. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a 10-8. 2 mounts, almost finished him. Wow. Now, back to what I was talking about with Jon Jones. He needs to come back. He's got to, like, he is 28 years old. I think when he fights, he'll be 29. And it's sad because what did he miss? Like, a year or more without fighting? And, you know, it really is a shame because I want to see him actually move up in weight and go into the heavyweight division and take the title there. He could do it, man. He's a big guy. Oh, man, but this Jon Jones is blocking, getting out of the way right here. He's getting teed up a little bit. But yeah, if Jones could keep it together. But he's joined, you know, that nutrition company GAT. And a long time ago, there were some, I'm not going to speculate, but there were some ingredients that was in their products that had, like, that were flagged as a, not like a steroid, but a banned substance in certain organizations. So hopefully Jonesy doesn't get flagged for any performance enhancing drugs, even though it's just like, it could be, you know, a pre-workout or whatnot. Hopefully they don't have any banned substance in their products. But he is working with them. And the video, it was funny because there was a video of him being so good to the fans as he's doing a GAT kind of meet and greet. So he's with GAT, and hopefully they're keeping him in line and in order. But he's into powerlifting now, which is crazy. So hopefully he doesn't dip into the dark side. But as it stands right now in this fight, I feel like I'm kind of holding my own. I can already sense this guy's patterns. You know he's won a ton of fights. Oh, that connected. Oh, no. He's won a ton of fights doing that straight body kick. Oh, good on him for denying. Oh, man. Oh, I could be in trouble here, people. I just got to block here. I can't get out of this, man. Oh, I'm not talking because I'm trying to concentrate. I don't want to get finished in the clinch. Oh, none of that business. None of that business. Oh, oh. Mount. Oh, almost mount. I'm not going to. Oh, this guy's in trouble. Oh, I so denied that. How did he get out? Only Jon Jones. Only Jon Jones, people. I never use Jon Jones in this game, man. Oh. I gotta be patient at this point. Just let the round end. Oh, reversal. Look at Mousasi showing his heart. Wow. Wow. Now that round, man. That, I'm giving it to myself again. I could be biased. But that was my round, and we're going into the 3rd round. This is not a title fight. No ways, not a title fight. So let's see what we could do at this point. You know he's rocked. You know the eggs have been scrambled in his head. And one more rock, and if I get him down, this fight could be over. So let's see what we could do. Some mutual respect at this point. Oh, it's like I shocked him right there. Did you see that? Yeah, look at Gegard. Yes, utilizing my punches. Oh, and he had success in the clinch, and he's changing it up. Yeah.
They are really battling for position in the
Couldn't get that takedown.
And here we can see the number of total strikes.
Oh, he's going for the choke.
Looking for a guillotine choke here.
Oh, I gotta disguise it a little bit better to escape at this point. Yes, and look at that. Look at that athleticism right there. Is he in the WWE?
With a strong right.
And it's my time to let the hurt down.
He's able to get back to over-under.
Let's see what we could do. I gotta get out of this. This is not where I shine. Oh, he's going with the elbows. Oh, and Jones with the long arms. Oh, and right away I noticed look at my arms. Since I blocked that elbow, my arms went jet red. One of my arms. Oh no, I'm rocked. I gotta get out of this. I can't let him hit me. I can't even block. Oh no. Oh man. Mousasi doesn't know where he is. Yeah, fight back, baby. He's really pushing forward. He knows he may have lost the first 2 rounds. Oh, and Mousasi's hurt, man. Mousasi's hurt. And I'm being cautious. You don't want to get finished after putting together 2 quality rounds. Oh! Wow, nice little... You know what? I didn't even mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Wow, it's coming down to the last minute or so. Gosh, gotta get out of this corner. Gotta get out! Wow, and with Jones's length, he's connecting. Every time he gets close, he's connecting. Oh no! Ate the kick. Look at how tough is Mousasi. How tough is he? Red in all areas. Not a lot of time. Oh man, I'm not having a good finish to this fight. Oh, and the baby's crying in the background. Everybody is losing their cool here, people. Oh man. And that's the fight. Wow. I give that round to him. Man. 29-28 for Mousasi. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. This is crazy. This is crazy. And just so you guys know, I just randomly put on 2 fights in the random ranked fights series. Win or lose, it's all good. If I lose, it's good to show losses, man. So we could all have a nice discussion and talk about what I could do to improve. Here we go. Who do you guys got?
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for a decision. Judge 1 scores this contest, 29-28, Musashi. Judge 2 scores it, 29-28, Jones. And Judge 3 scores this contest, 29-28, for the winner by split decision,
Yeah! It went to the guy that did the most damage. You know, if it went to 5 rounds, I think my opponent would have had me. But it wasn't a 5-round fight, and I won it. What a tough battle. Anyhow, people, thanks for stopping by. This is Ricky J, baby, from Ricky J Sports. And as always,
You are awesome.